If love is expensive, why do tears fall for love? If love is the name of life, then why thousands of people die prematurely? Life is a boat of water. Sometimes it sails in happiness, sometimes it floats in the current of sadness, sometimes it runs in the pull of love, sometimes it stops in unknown pride. The rose withers, the moon hides. The day ends, the birds fly away. I promised my friend that I will not give you away. If you keep it in your heart, I will be for you. I kept in the heart of the one who, intoxicated look of those two eyes wearing glasses, the rain brought down the mine to the ground. I am at your address, I wander around the neighborhood. From that day, the day I stole my heart. Late at night I see your picture in my dreams, I think of you when I see that picture. I like to think only you, I lost myself in you, meeting you, after many days. How was it so long, you left me? To be honest, I have one thing to say. After marriage. Why are you holding on? Everyone will see. You will get me after marriage. If your letter was in my father's hands. He used to let me go outside the house. Now don't get angry, don't pretend. Today I will take you, see a mortal companion. I love you, I am ashamed to say. Filled with courage, I wrote the letter today. Nothing can be forgotten, that momentary meeting. I can't forget the sweet smile on your face. So I want to drink in your hope. I am sitting in your hope, looking for a way. When will you come to me, dear girl? Eye to eye, the day we met. I couldn't say anything. If I had a partner like you, I would have found a life partner. My hopes would have been fulfilled, I would have been happier. When you put your hand in the hand, the heart is happy. Parasha of love, parasha of gold, seems the same. After marriage, we will go on honeymoon together. There, I will say it in my heart. Days pass by looking for water on the way. When will you come, Ogo? Don't tell me. How many dreams I see, thinking about you. What will happen in the end? I think all the time.